In this video, I'll show you how to create and apply discount in Ovaloop. You can create a discount that applies to all products, a specific category or subcategory, a particular product, or even a specific customer. Now, how do you do that? From the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon on the right hand side of the screen. From the drop down menu, select discount and then add new discount. Here you'll see the fields required to create your discount. First, enter the discount title. This is the name you want to give the discount. For example, weekend promo, Christmas sale, Xmas sale, Ileya sale, and so on. Now, next is the discount type. General applies the discount across all products, while product applies discount to a specific product. Subcategory applies the discount to products within a particular subcategory. Subcategory applies discount to all products within a selected category, while customer applies the discount to a specific customer. Now, in this video, I'll be making use of product. Now, I have to select the product that I want to add discount to. So, I have discount value. Discount value is entered as percentage. For example, entering 10%, 5%, 2% means the selected products or items will receive a 10% discount or that particular value. So let me say 5% discount. Start date and expiry date. Start date determines when the discount becomes active, while expiry date determines when the discount ends. So in this video, I want the discount to start today and expiry date 21st. So yeah, I will have to activate discount and then save. Discount has been created. Now, let's go to the cart and make a sale. From my order summary, you will see automatically discount has been applied to that product. It has been applied to the product. I don't have to do any other thing. It has been deducted. I just have to proceed to payment, bank transfer, and then submit. Now, in my receipt, I have discount here and it's showing me minus 55.